So we are doing the Deco petal. We are using the 20" by 10. We are laying it curl side up, so it naturally has that curl from being on the roll. Curl side up. I'm going to do it towards me, and then I'll do one towards you after. So curl side up, we're going to take the two top corners, two furthest corners away from you, and bring them down to the middle to make these ones lay just beside each other. So it won't go all the way down to the bottom. It's not a big deal. If you can see there, it doesn't go right down to the bottom. It's a little curly so you can't see perfectly. It doesn't go right down to the bottom. That's okay. You don't want to overlap these two flaps. Just want them right down. You tried to use poly burlap, but you haven't gotten it just right. Poly burlap for this petal, you want to first do it on horizontal wide stripe, I always suggest. If you do it with poly burlap first, it can be harder. Y'all, poly burlap likes to fray if you even look at it. Horizontal wide stripe is less fraying. Poly burlap, you just say nice words to it and it just starts fraying. So master it, even if you just use one piece of horizontal wide stripe, master it on this and then go to the poly burlap. So we are going to take that, I hold it at the point and the bottom here, and we're going to flip it over. Okay, you're going to bring this corner and fold it to the middle. So this corner here to that middle. You can see the seam through. Then we're going to fold it again. So yes, then we're going to take the other corner. It doesn't matter if you go left or right first. We're going to take this point, bring it to the middle. You do want to make sure that it's higher up than this bottom here. Higher up than this bottom. And fold again so we have this square diamond shape. We are then going to fold that in half. And then we're going to flip it over and fold it in half again. And there is our Deco petal. So now towards you, we are going to take the furthest corners away from you. So y'all, this is upside down for me. Hopefully, if you're viewing, it is right side for you. We are going to bring these down so they line right beside each other. Again, there's a little chunk at the bottom. That's because this is a 10.25 inch wide. It's fine though. Doesn't matter. Welcome, Melanie. We are going to hold that top point and the bottom where they meet. Just hold it taut and flip over. Oh, there's a feather from somewhere. You never know what's going to show up in a craft space. And I just turned that upside down. Okay, so this is your belly here. You're watching. This is how it'll be on your table that you're looking at. You can take the left side or right side. Doesn't matter which side you start with. You want to take that corner and fold it right to the middle. You want to make sure it's above the bottom of the mesh. Okay, and then fold that again. If you have difficulties, if your hands are smaller, if your hands just don't have the movement, you can always take clips and just clip that for the time being so it stays. Now we don't have to hold it, it's there. You can use clothespins, any clips you have that are handy. Again, the other side, take that corner, bring it to the middle. Fold it again. Y'all, this does not have to be perfect. Have fun with it. Just have fun. No petal, no flowers are perfect. The only people that are going to notice if it's not perfect are other wreath makers, and you're probably not making for them. So don't worry. We won't tell. So we're there. We're just going to take this bottom piece, or this top to you, and fold it down, and then bring these together. You can take those clips off and just attach at the bottom. If you can't laugh at yourself, who can you laugh at?